Hello everyone, this is Rocío Passion. Welcome to my channel. This week we're making a Japanese recipe. Half tiny chickens in a ginger, garlic, soy marinade. Very easy, you just have to marinate and grill. That's it. But let's start right away. Start off by preparing the marinade. Mix half a cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 cloves of grated garlic, and 2 tablespoons of minced ginger. Mix everything until sugar is dissolved. I chose tiny chickens for this recipe. They cook faster in the grill and each half makes actually a perfect portion for one person. If you can't get hold of this kind of chicken, you will just need a little bit more time to grill. Cut your tiny chickens in half and put them in a container. Pour over the marinade and make sure you soak them completely. Next time I make this recipe, I will probably put them in a plastic bag to make sure that they are completely soaked the whole time they are marinating. Cover and let them rest in your fridge for at least 4 hours or up to a day. Let's make a quick side dish. Pickled Japanese style Daikon Radish. Cut the Daikon Radish into really thin slices. Pour in a bowl half a cup of distilled vinegar or rice vinegar and half a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and mix everything until dissolved. Place all your daikon in the pickling brine and make sure it's completely soaked. Cover and place it in the fridge. Now let's prepare the grill, preferably with charcoal. While you're waiting for the grill to get ready, I would suggest that you take part of the marinade and reduce it in a saucepan. I love to add that garlic ginger syrup on top of the chicken right before serving. But don't reduce everything, keep some marinade to brush over the chickens later. Put the chickens on the grill over medium heat and cook carefully, turning them at least 3 to 4 times during the period of time of around 30 minutes. But it's hard to say. It depends on how hot your grill is, so just check out that the meat is juicy and it's pulling apart from the bone. That means it's ready. Brush them with the marinade while cooking to intensify the flavor of the marinade. If you see them getting really dark, it's okay. They are getting caramelized, don't be scared. Put part of the pickled daikon in a small bowl and add some chili flakes on top if you like a little bit of heat. Finish the chicken with the garlic ginger syrup. Place it on a nice plate and top it with some julienne leek that has previously been soaked in ice cold water. Look at that glossy color. It looks really yummy. Itadakimasu. Remember, you have the list of ingredients in the description box below. thank you for watching and I see you in my next video.